Today, we'll guide you through using and sharing your specialized accounts payable email address. This unique email ID in Docket is designed to simplify your invoice management process. Log into your Docket account by visiting app.docket.com. Once you're in, navigate to the top header menu and click on Expense Management. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Accounts Payable, and then click on Invoice Queue. To find your specific email address, please check your Docket invoice queue. Click on the email icon in the top left corner to copy your unique email address. We suggest that you direct all pending vendor invoices to this email address to keep your invoices organized in one place. Alternatively, you can forward your vendor invoices from your email inbox to your accounts payable email ID to have them automatically added to your invoice queue. And that's how you can effectively use the accounts payable email in Docket. For more tips and tricks, stay tuned to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.